Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with monday.com for automations and dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the monday.com website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill in the required fields to create your account. Provide your name, email address, and a secure password. After filling in the details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from monday.com. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the monday.com homepage. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, you will be guided through an onboarding process. Choose your preferred workspace settings. You can select a template or create a board from scratch. Once inside your workspace, familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on the Automations button located on the top menu. In the Automations Center, explore the various automation options available. Select the automation that best fits your workflow needs. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen automation. Customize any specific settings or triggers as needed. After finalizing your automation setup, return to your main board. Now, let's create a dashboard. Click on the Dashboards tab in your workspace. Select Add New Dashboard from the options provided. Give your dashboard a relevant name for easy identification. Start adding widgets to your dashboard by clicking the plus Add Widget button. Choose from different types of widgets like charts, graphs, or tables. Customize each widget to display the desired information. Arrange the widgets on your dashboard according to your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.